Hey everybody, got another quick unboxing here. Pretty sure I know which one this is. This is from a company here in New York, so not a Chinese company, although I'm sure that they get everything manufactured there. So, as always, got my trusty Benchmade. There it is. This is the Top Race Nano Hex. Looks really cool. See the back of it there. Haven't had any of this company's products. They don't seem to have very many, but this one looked really cool. So got a little nano transmitter, which I dislike immensely, but it's kind of the deal with the nanos. USB charger, prop removal tool, and it looks like a full set of spare props. Yeah, full set, I believe. So, there's the quad, or not the quad, the hex. On-off switch here. Oh, it's got some nice lights though. Well, that should be cool at night. I really like the red and white. Internal battery, I think it's a 150 milliamp. Not real sure what it is, but boy, it looks really cool. So I'll get this thing charged up and try to get used to this little transmitter. This one's a little bit better than some of the others. It feels a little bit better in my hands. A little longer down here. But the hex itself looks really cool. So throw up some flight video of this, and a day or two, couple of days. Ooh, it's got nice feet. I'll have a review for you guys. Alright. It's the Top Race Hover Drone Nano Hexacopter. Alright guys, thanks for watching.